Hello students, today we are going to learn application of logic to switching circuit. This part is very simple as you have already studied in electronics also. Switch is a two-stage device used to control the flow of current in circuit. When current flows in an electric circuit when the switch is closed switch. That is on. This is closed switch, and the current does not flow when the switch is open, that is off. Open switch, that is off. And here this is open switch. It means that we associate closed switch with true statement and open switch with false statement. Then we can say that the truth value of closed switch is T and truth value of open switch is F. Okay. Now see here, two switches in parallel. Is two switches S1 and S2. These two are parallel. So write down here, let P the switch S1, Q the switch H2, and L the lamp L. Okay, here P means the switch S1, Q means switch H2, and L means the lamp L. If it is S3, then here is P, Q and R. R means switch S3, like this. Okay. Now here S1, H2, S3, and here S1 dash is equal to, S1 means P and S1 dash means negation P, H2 means Q and H2 dash means negation Q. Again S3 means R and S3 dash means negation R. Means these switches are having opposite states, S1 and S1 dash. These two states switches having opposite states, that is S1 is P, S1 dash is negation P. Means if S1 is closed, S1 dash is open. Clear? In this switches, we have to prepare a table, that is the input output table. But what is input and output table? Here switching table also you can say. We don't know the actual state of switches in circuit. We consider all possible combinations of states of all switches in circuit and prepare a table, and this table is called as the input and output table. So we have to prepare a table for this. Here P, Q, parallel means here or. Remember the symbol, parallel means or. This or this. See here, S1 or S2. In this case, the current will flow at least one of the switch is closed. I will repeat again. In this case, in parallel, two switches in parallel. In this case, the current will flow if at least one of the switch is closed. In circuit, don't show whether the switch is open or closed. In circuit, we don't show whether the switch is closed or open. Now here, PQ, or that is P or Q. This is the input and output table. Now here, one, we represent one that is true, 1 0 0 and 1 0 1 0. In this, or means disjunction. You know the connectives disjunction. Okay, here false, false. False means 0, true means 1. So false, false, false. Remaining all are true. So it is true. True means 1, 1, 1. And this part is 0. Okay. Here is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Here false, false, false means it is 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now, two switches in series. Two switches in series. S1, S2. Here S1, S2. These two are in series. So you can write here S1 means P, S2 means Q. So P and Q. Okay. Here let P the switch, S1, same thing, Q the switch, H2, and L the lamp L. Okay. And now here in this, the current will flow only when both the switches are closed. I will repeat again. Two switches in series, the current will flow, means in this case the current will flow when only both the switches are closed. Okay, then and then only current will flow. हे दोन्ही स्विच जर क्लोज झाले विथ S1 and S2 तरच करंट फ्लो होईल. क्लियर? ओके. You can write here equivalent to L. Now prepare output and the input table for this. The series AND symbol is AND. P Q, P and Q. Now here 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. In this is the conjunction, that is the connective conjunction. In conjunction, T T T means 1 1 1 and remaining all are false. TTD means 1 1 1, remaining all are false, that is 0 0 and 0. This is the input and output table of two switches in series and parallel OR. Clear? Now we shall see three types of question. Three types of question. Question 1. Express the following circuit in symbolic form and write its input and the output table. So draw the circuit. Here is the battery and here is lamp. Okay. Now we have to write the symbolic form. Here circuit is given. We have to write the symbolic form. Here let P the switch S1, Q the switch H2 and R the switch S3. Okay, means here S1, H2 and S3, three switches are given. So P, Q and R, switch S1, switch H2 and switch S3. Okay, now here this circuit can be expressed as, here S1 is here P, S1 means P. Again this S1 is parallel to these two switches S1 and H2, but these are in series and this S1 is parallel to these both. Okay, so P OR means here parallel OR, and in bracket these are in H2 and S3 are in series. So you can write here H2 means Q and S3. This is the symbolic form. This is the symbolic form. Okay. Now write down the input and output table of this form. That is, what is the form? P or in bracket Q and S3. Q and S3. Here P 1 2 3. R 1 2 and 3. 3 statements. Here P Q R, then Q and R, and last, that is P or Q and R. Here is P Q R. Okay, prepare the input and output table. Here is 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. Here is 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Here is 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. but here is conjunction and. And means Q and R. So here Q and R. Q and R. And means true, true, true. Remaining all are false. So Q and R. So this and this one. This and this again one. Remaining all are false. Okay. And now here or. Or means disjunction. Disjunction. So here P. This part is P and this part is Q and R. So here or means disjunction. So false, false, false. Remaining all are true. So here P and this one or. So F. This 0, this 0, 0, this 0, 0, 0, this 0, 0, 0, false. This is 1, 1. This is 1, 1, 1. Okay? 0, 0, again 0, 0. Here P means this 1 is 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 clear. Any doubt? Okay. Then second, suppose here is S1 dash, here is H2, here is S1 and H2 dash. Here is battery. Now see here, the circuit can be expressed as, here is S1 dash H2. S1 means P. S1 dash means negation. See here, negation P. S1 dash and H2 are in series. So here series and again H2. H2 means Q. Okay. Then these S1 dash and H2 are parallel to these two. That is S1 and H2 dash. So it is parallel. So it is OR. Again S1 and H2 dash are in series. So it is AND. So S1. S1 means again P. And what is H2 dash? AND. Negation Q. H2 means Q and H2 dash means negation Q. This is the form of circuit. It can be expressed as like this: negation P and Q, or P and negation Q. Okay. Then we have to prepare input and output table like this. Here P and Q, two statement. P, Q, negation P, P, Q, negation P, negation Q, again negation P and Q, and P and negation Q, and last negation P and Q, or P and negation Q. Okay. Now P this part is like this. Okay. means here negation PQ. P means here 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. Negation P means 0 0 1 1. Negation Q, there is 0, here is 1 0 and 1. Okay, here is 1. Now negation P and Q. Negation P this part, this P and Q, and means TTD. Negation P and Q, TTD. So it is 1, remaining all are false. Okay, here is P and negation P. P and negation Q means this part. Okay, and means conjunction. Here is 1. Here this part, that is negation P and Q, or means FFF, that is 0 0 0. So it is this part and this part, or 0 0 0, here 0 0 0, meaning all 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 0. Here 1 represents switches on current flows. Okay, clear? And now last, question 3. Question 3. Question 3 is, give an alternative equivalent simple circuit for the following. Question 3 is like this. Here circuit S1, S1 dash, S2. Here let P means switch S1, Q means the switch S2, and L the lamp L. Okay. Now here write in the symbolic form first. S1 means P. Okay, in this part, but here series, these are in series. So here and in bracket S1 dash is parallel to S2. Parallel means or. So S1 means P and S1 dash means negation P, and H2 here parallel. So or H2 means Q, P and negation P or Q. Okay, we have to solve this. Here P and negation P or Q equivalent to, so this P and negation P and negation P, or multiply this into this, or this part is or P and Q, that is distributive law. Here P and negation P, it means that it is F. This part is as it is, P and Q. That is complement law. Complement law. And last, here P and Q. That is identity law. Identity law, P and Q. And now, what is the simplified circuit? We have to show here simplified circuit. But simplified circuit means only P and Q. We have to show here P and Q. So, here S1 and S2. S1 and S2. Okay. Thank you.